Welcome to Embsew. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider the split stick and split back stick. I will use 2 threads or 6 threads like this. The first way is the easiest to do. Just separate the thread in half and embroider like me. Or embroider like this. Insert the needle from the bottom up, dividing the embroidery stitches in half. This method is more difficult because the needle cannot be seen from the behind of the fabric. Split stitch brings the needle from the bottom up too, and separating the previous stitch. And the split back stick will bring the needle from the top down, separating the previous stick. Split back stick embroidery is faster and easier to perform than split stick. I will repeat the split back stick with 6 threads. And this is a split stick with 6 threads. I embroider it by the first way. Have you distinguished the 2 stitches yet? Is anyone still mistake between the 2 stitches? Let comment below to me now. This is the back of the embroidery stitch. The split stitch has a back stick on the back. As for the split back stitch, it looks a bit messy and is much thicker. And here is the split stitch application. Let's embroider with me. Do you think it's beautiful? And I think it takes a lot of time. However, working on your hobby is always fun. The part is a bit messy, isn't it?